Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Mike Makes It. We're looking at the truck, but that's not what the video's about. The video's about a head torch I bought. It's a XANES LX200 wave sensor. I'll tell you all about that in a minute. It's 1200 milliamp battery in it, USB-C charger. You don't get charger with it, you get a cable, but it's a USB-C connector. 270-degree lighting angle it claims, and 350 lumens. 5 modes. If you look there, there's on off switch, and there's another switch which is a little bit clever. You can wave at it and it'll turn the light on and off. Now, I find this particularly useful when I'm delving down the back of my calipers here. These torches are all very well, and they really have got the use. There's another one there that's going to blind us. Problem with them, I always find when you're looking in the truck or looking underneath like that, the light's in your face. You can't actually get the light where you need it. Whereas with this head torch, it's exactly where I'm looking. So I've got to say, superb, really. £12-ish from Banggood, £20 from Amazon. But if I just fire that up, it's not going to come over on the camera terribly well. But there's two brightnesses for the LED strip on the front. You can see there. Apologies for blinding everything out. If you press it quick enough, which we didn't, so one press, one brightness, press again a little bit dimmer, press again, goes over to like a torch, an old traditional torch, but it's LED and it does project the beam fairly well forward. With a stripper light, the Cob LED light there, that's not lit up, doesn't project it very far forward, like for instance if you want to walk a dog and see where you're actually stepping, no good for that, but perfect for jobs like this where you got to get your head in and around something and see what you're looking at. So press that again, we'll turn that off, on, we'll put that on, and we'll turn the wave sensor on. If it's just on normally, you've got a red lamp, press the wave sensor, you get a green LED there as well. Now I'll just pop that there, you can see the lights on. Now put your hand over it, it'll go off. A bit like the dentist, certainly my dentist. There it goes on the floor. That I haven't used that in here because if you get close to something, it will turn off. So not very practical when you've got your head under a wheel arch. But nevertheless, really good if you want to get light where you're working and you don't want to get blinded with it. So yeah, definitely recommend it if you're working on trucks, cars, anywhere you want to get a light that's very difficult to illuminate without being blinded, because that's what these do. I showed, I did a review on that torch a little bit earlier. I'll put a link in the description. And that thing is just a recannibalized halogen light with a couple of LED lamp replacements. Works well, projects a light, but as I'm looking at the hub here, it's really blinding me. Don't get that with this. So yeah, recommend one of them. Anyhow, I hope that's useful. Thanks for watching.